To create ebook cover design or probably ebook mockup on Canva, click on the search menu, then search for ebook. Click on ebook cover. These are different inbuilt templates on ebook cover on Canva. Therefore, you are good to go to select any of your choice and make a customization to it in order to turn it to your brand. However, in this case, we are going to create the ebook cover at scratch. Therefore, you click on the create blank where we have a plus sign in it. Therefore, go to element. Under the shapes, click on see all, then scroll down to look for triangle, click on it. Here it is. Then try to increase by enlarging the shapes. Do it this way. The next thing, rotate it. Fix it this way. It's okay this way. The next thing, click on the shapes. Then at the upper side there, click on the color palette in order to change the color. Then click on the blue. Come to the upper side, click on the color palette where we're having plus sign in it. Then drag the circle. Try to play around with the color and pick the one you prefer. It's okay this way. The next thing, click on the square shape, increase the size, rotate it, then fix it here. The next thing, click on the square shape, then come to the upper side, click on color, then change it to white. The next thing, still on element, click on the triangle shape, change the color, change it to this, increase it a little bit, bring it here. Play around with this triangle. The next thing, fix this here. Click on position at the upper side there. Then click on layers. First triangle, bring it here. Then rotate this shape, the square shape. Then decrease the size. It's okay this way. The next thing, go to element, then click on the rectangle, decrease it, rotate it, then increase the size, change the color to white, duplicate the shape, fix this here. Okay. For this line, fix it here, very closer to the first one. The next thing, click on this shape, duplicate, then fix it here, expand the shape. Then change the color. Click on the color at the upper side there. Click on this. Then click on the color palette here. Bring it down. Okay. It's okay this way. The next thing, go to position, go to layers, then bring this here. Okay. The next thing, click on the triangle here, duplicate, bring it here. The next thing, adjust this by dragging it to the front. Okay. Then click on the square, fix it this way. It's okay. Then for this triangle, rotate it, fix it here. Fix it for another color in order to see how effective it is. Then back to this color. The next thing, go to elements. Then on your element, you search for straight shadow effect. But in this case, I'm going to make use of this that is recently used. Then rotate it, fix it somewhere here. Then bring it down. The next thing, click on position at the upper side there, then click on layers, then fix it here. The next thing, bring it inwardly, click on this shape, then duplicate it, reduce the size a little bit, then fix it here, still reduce the size. Okay. The next thing, click on the shadow, duplicate it, then fix it here as well. Reduce the size by shifting it inwardly. Then this, fix it this way. Fix it here. Then bring it here. Bring the shadow inwardly a little bit. It's okay this way. The next thing is to insert the text. Then come to T where we're having text there, click on it, add a heading, then my mind. That is the title of the ebook. Then change the color, change the font as well. Then scroll down to look for leaked pattern. Fix the font, okay. The next thing, duplicate, bring it here, and change it to True Life Story. Okay, change the font size, change it to 20. Then click on this, duplicate it, bring it here, change the color to white, then change it to the name of the author, fix it somewhere here. Now we are done with the designing of the ebook cover. The next thing is to download it. Then come to the share icon here, click on it, click on download. Then we have it for PNG, click on download. Now it's downloaded. The next thing is to come to your upload. Then drag it here in order to have it uploaded. To convert the ebook cover design into ebook mockup, therefore, there are several ways of doing this. The first way, go to Element, then scroll down to look for a section where there is mockup. This is it. Click on See All to have access to everything. Then scroll up to look for where we're having prints. Click on See All to have access to all the items we have in other prints. Here it is. Then the next thing, click on Add Page to have a blank page here. There are different ebook mockup here where you can choose any of your choice. Try to scroll down to see different ebook mockup. In this case, click on this. Let's see how it works. Here it is. Then try to drag this by expanding the ebook mockup. Then the next thing, go to Upload. Drag this here into the ebook mockup. This is it. Very lovely. Another thing you can do on this, in a case whereby you want to make any adjustment to it, then click on Edit at the upper side there. Then you can click on Fit if you prefer the ebook design to fit the page, or probably look at this, click on Flip. Alignment, click on it if you want it to be on left. If you're okay with it, then click on Apply Changes. Look at it. Then click on Undo. The next thing, then let's move to the other way of converting our ebook design into ebook mockup. Click on Add Page. Then on your left hand side, look for Apps. This is it. Click on Apps. On the search Canva apps, click on it. Then look for Mockups, enter. Then click on this Mockups. Scroll down to look for the section we're having prints. Click on See All. Then scroll down to look for the particular ebook mockup you prefer. Click on this. Here it is. Increase it. To expand the ebook mockup. Then go to Uploads, where you are having your design. From there, drag this into the ebook mockup. Now it's converting it. You can see this is lovely. This is how to convert your ebook design cover into mockup. In a case whereby you want to edit it as well, probably you want to make an adjustment to it, click on Edit at the upper side there. The same thing as we have it previously. You can click on Fit, or probably on Flip, or anyone you prefer. But in this case, it's okay this way. The next thing, you come to Share. Then click on Share. Click on Download to have your ebook cover downloaded. If you want it to be downloaded via PNG, you click on PNG. And if you want it for PDF, you click on it. It depends on the one you prefer. Let's click on this PDF standard. It's only page 2-3. Then click on Download. This is it. Therefore, this is how to convert your ebook cover design into ebook mockup. If I found this video very useful, please kindly subscribe to my channel. Give it a thumbs up. Share the video with your family and friends. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.